Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for those new to my channel, my name is Lynn and I do some painting. I do a lot of arts and craft, recycle. Actually, I have an example of my recycle right here. You see, it's a pickle jar. This is a pickle jar. But anyway, I do some recycle. I do some paintings. My paintings behind me, that's my painting. And then today I'm going to make some t-shirt. I'm going to make them some t-shirt. I have orders on my t-shirts, and I will show you how to make the t-shirt, like using my cricut. This is my cricut machine. So it is my machine. My machine is cutting now, and it's cutting the design now. That's it called cricut machine. It's cutting the design. So guys, if you have any question, just leave comments on my video, and I'm going to give you an answer if I can. And yes, the name of that machine is Cricut Smart 2. So this is not the latest one, but it still works. Finish cutting. And then now I'm removing the extra vinyl. Right? And then after this, we're gonna use our iron. So the material I'm using is iron on vinyl.